In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the task list in Microsoft Loop. If you're looking to streamline your projects and enhance productivity, this is a must-know tool that integrates seamlessly with the suite of Microsoft 365 applications. Let's dive right into it. To get started, visit loop.microsoft.com and sign in using your personal or work-related Microsoft account. This environment allows you access to a wide range of collaborative tools designed to boost your project management processes. Once signed in, you're set to create a structured system for your tasks. Now, navigate to an existing workspace. Within your chosen workspace, click on Plus New Page. This action helps you organize all the tasks related to your particular project into a dedicated section. Having your tasks in one spot ensures that you and your team can easily track progress and make adjustments as needed. On your brand new Loop page, you'll start by typing a /. This nifty shortcut opens the component menu. Scroll through and select the task list option. This is where the magic begins. The task list component is your gateway to organizing tasks and enhancing team collaboration. Once you've opened your task list, think about what needs to get done. Type each task name into the designated field. After entering a task, simply hit enter to add more. This method keeps things efficient and helps you quickly visualize the workload. There's also an alternative way to add tasks. You'll notice a plus button within the task list interface. Clicking this allows you to continue adding tasks effortlessly. Having multiple ways to input tasks enhances usability, making it easier for everyone to contribute. Next, let's assign tasks to team members. Within the task list, mention or select the user's name who will be responsible for the task. Assigning tasks encourages accountability and provides clarity on who manages each part of the project. To stay on top of deadlines, assign due dates to each task. This feature not only helps prioritize what needs to be done first, but also keeps the entire team aware of the timeline you're working within. Clear deadlines foster timely completion and ensure projects move along smoothly. One of the standout features of task lists in Microsoft Loop is its ability to be shared across various Microsoft 365 applications. You can easily integrate your task list into Teams, Outlook, or even creative tools like Whiteboard and Word for the web. This level of integration ensures everyone stays updated, irrespective of the app they're using. Finally, any updates made to your task list will automatically synchronize across all the shared platforms. Whether someone updates the list from Teams or checks on progress from Outlook, all changes are reflected instantly, ensuring everyone is on the same page. By leveraging the task list feature in Microsoft Loop, you pave the way for efficient task management and enhanced team collaboration. So go ahead and give it a try. You'll likely wonder how you ever manage projects without it.